Hi friends! Today we'll take a look at an exchange that has become a true magnet for hunters of new tokens, MEXC. Why this exchange? You can trade here without mandatory KYC, freedom of action from day one, with over 1,600 coins listed. Rare projects and fresh tokens appear here before they do on other platforms. The interface is simple, yet the possibilities are vast, from spot and futures trading to DEX+, Launchpad, Kickstarter, staking and trading bots. In this video, I will show you how to register, set up security, fund your account and start trading. I'll also explain how to find promising projects and get bonuses upon registration with the promo code MEXCP69, link in the description. If you're looking for an exchange that combines convenience, a vast selection of coins, and access to the freshest tokens, stay with us. Let's get started. MEXC is an international cryptocurrency platform that has been operating since 2018 and is accessible to users from over 180 countries. In a short time, it has become one of the most popular exchanges due to its simple interface, wide functionality, and the ability to trade without mandatory verification. Key advantages: trading without KYC. You can fully engage in spot and futures trading, deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency without identity verification. KYC is only required for P2P and certain fiat operations, making MEXC convenient for those who value privacy. Vast selection of coins, over 1,600 cryptocurrencies, including new tokens, early-stage altcoins, meme coins, and projects that have not yet launched on other exchanges. Many listings appear on MEXC before they do on major platforms, giving traders the chance to discover promising coins first. Security, cold storage of assets, regular proof of reserves reports, anti-phishing codes, and additional levels of account protection. MEXC ecosystem. The exchange offers a whole set of tools: the native MEXC token, Launchpad for participating in new projects, free tokens through Kickstarter, trading bots, and advanced earning tools, an integrated DEX+ that allows you to buy new tokens from various networks directly through the exchange. This platform is equally convenient for both beginners and active traders. Beginners appreciate the simple interface and the ability to operate without KYC, while experienced users value the wide selection of coins, early listings, and advanced trading and earning tools. Getting started with MEXC is a breeze. The process takes just a couple of minutes and opens access to one of the most dynamic exchanges in the world. Here's how it works in practice. Go to the link in the description. This is our official partner link with the promo code MEXCP69, which activates bonuses for newcomers. On the registration page, enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and specify your country of residence. Check the box agreeing to the terms and click Create Account. Check your email or SMS, you'll receive a confirmation code, enter it on the website, and that's it, your account is ready. You can immediately log into your personal account or download the MEXC mobile app from the App Store or Google Play to keep the exchange at your fingertips. On MEXC, you can trade spot and futures without mandatory KYC, so your account is ready for full operation right after registration. To feel as secure as possible, it's best to set up security right away. We'll talk about that in the next section. And don't forget to check the description. There are useful links to help you get settled and make the most of the platform. After registration, the most important thing is to take care of your account protection immediately. MEXC offers several levels of security, and the first step every user should take is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Click on your avatar in the upper right corner and select Security. Enable the following security features. Two-factor authentication. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. A QR code will appear on the website, scan it and enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save the backup key. It will be needed if you lose access to your phone. Anti-phishing code. Create a short personal code that will appear in all emails from the exchange. This helps avoid fake notifications and phishing attempts. Whitelist addresses. If desired, you can enable a feature that allows withdrawals only to pre-added wallets. After configuring these settings, your account will be securely protected and you can move on to the next step. One of the advantages of MEXC is that for spot and futures trading, KYC is not mandatory. You can trade, deposit, and withdraw cryptocurrency without identity verification. Verification is only needed for fiat operations and P2P, as well as to increase withdrawal limits. If you need access to these features, you can complete KYC in a few steps. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner and select Identity Verification. Choose your country of residence. Specify the type of document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload photos of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically verify the data. Provide your residential address and submit the application. The verification process doesn't take long, ranging from a couple of minutes to an hour. Once your account is confirmed, it will receive a verified status along with access to P2P, increased withdrawal limits, and fiat tools. In the description below the video, you'll find a selection of top exchanges, wallets, and services with unique bonuses. After registration and setting up security, you can fund your account. MEXC offers several convenient methods for depositing funds: cryptocurrency, P2P, and online exchanges. All methods are safe and suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Method 1. Funding with cryptocurrency. This option is available without KYC. In the top menu, click on Wallet, Spot Account, and on this page, click the Deposit button. Choose a coin such as USDT or BTC. Specify the network you will use to send the funds: TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, and others. Copy the deposit address displayed by the exchange. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send the funds to this address. Important: the sending network must match the deposit network exactly. If the networks differ, the funds may be lost without the possibility of recovery. The cryptocurrency will be credited to your balance after confirmations on the network. Method 2. Funding via P2P. This method requires completing KYC. Go to Buy Crypto, P2P trading. Select your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating and a suitable price. Enter the amount and create a trade. Transfer the payment to the seller. After the transfer, click Confirm Payment. Once the payment is verified, the coins will automatically be credited to your account. Method 3. Funding via online exchange. This method is suitable if you cannot use P2P or bank transfers. Click the link to the exchange in the description. Select your bank or payment system in the left column. In the right column, choose the coin you want to receive, such as USDT TRC20. Enter the amount, paste the deposit address from MEXC, make the payment and wait for confirmation. After a few minutes, USDT will be credited to your account. On MEXC, you can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat through P2P or exchanges. The process is essentially a mirror of the deposit method. The same steps, just in reverse. Trading on MEXC. The exchange offers two main trading modes: spot trading, buying and selling cryptocurrency directly; futures, the ability to work with contracts and use leverage to increase profitability. The platform's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, and one of its key advantages is that you can trade here without mandatory KYC. This makes MEXC particularly appealing to those who value speed and privacy. Ultimately, MEXC combines simplicity, flexibility, and freedom of action, allowing everyone to choose a comfortable way to operate, from classic spot trading to advanced futures. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrency at the current price or a price you specify manually. In the top menu, select Spot. Choose a trading pair, such as BTC USDT. Determine the order type. Market order. The trade executes at the current price immediately. Limit order. You specify your own price, and the trade will be executed when the market reaches it. Enter the amount and click Buy or Sell. Once the order is executed, the asset will appear in your spot balance. Futures trading. In the top menu, select Futures, the Futures 500x button. Open the desired currency pair, set your leverage, choose the order type and specify the position size, set stop loss and take profit if necessary. Open the position. MEXC offers two margin modes. Cross margin, the total balance is used for all open positions. If one trade goes into the negative, the system can automatically use free funds from other positions. This mode is suitable for experienced traders as it offers more flexibility but increases overall risk. Isolated margin, the margin is allocated to a specific position and the risk is limited to that amount. If the trade goes into the negative, only the funds allocated to it will be used. This option is safer for beginners and allows for precise control over maximum losses. Futures commissions are low and order execution is fast, which is convenient for active traders. If you want to learn how to invest and trade effectively, join our Telegram channel. We break down complex topics in a way that everyone can understand. The link is in the description. MEXC is one of the best exchanges for discovering new tokens, early projects, and coins that can deliver strong gains. There are dedicated built-in sections that allow you to quickly track promising assets. Open the top menu Markets. All sections for finding new coins are located here. Hot Search. Coins that users are actively buying and searching for right now. This section helps catch spikes in interest and early pumps. New listings. A list of all new coins added to the exchange. Many tokens appear on MEXC before they do on other exchanges, making this section one of the most important. Trending. Tokens with the highest current interest. Volume growth, volatility, active trading. Runners. Coins showing sharp growth over the last few hours. Useful for finding short-term opportunities. These sections allow you to track new coins and quickly find promising projects while they are still not popular on larger platforms. DEX Plus is an integrated, decentralized platform within MEXC that allows you to buy tokens from different networks directly without leaving the exchange. This is one of the main tools for those hunting for early projects and new coins. You can purchase tokens from networks like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, and other blockchains. Many coins appear on DEX Plus before they reach the spot market, allowing you to enter projects at an early stage. DEX Plus operates without KYC and is fully decentralized. You choose the network, find the token, connect your wallet, or use the purchase interface through MEXC, after which you complete the exchange. This is a convenient tool for finding new meme coins, promising projects, and low-cap tokens that typically offer the strongest gains. The MEXC ecosystem includes several tools for obtaining new tokens and participating in early projects. These features are particularly popular among users who want to acquire coins before listing and profit from growth. Launchpad is a platform for early sales of new tokens. Users lock a certain amount of coins during the event and receive an allocation of the new token at a fixed price. Projects launching on MEXC Launchpad often show growth immediately after listing, making this tool interesting for both long-term and early investors. Kickstarter is one of MEXC's unique features. It involves free token giveaways. Users vote for a project using MEXC tokens, and after the voting concludes, they receive a distribution of coins for their participation. This essentially provides an opportunity to obtain new tokens without any investment. Just hold a small amount of MEXC in your balance. MEXC is the native token of the MEXC ecosystem. It offers several advantages: discounts on trading fees, priority access to Launchpad, increased rewards in Kickstarter, higher yields in Earn, airdrops of coins for holding an activity. MEXC makes participation in the MEXC ecosystem more rewarding, especially when utilizing Launchpad, Kickstarter, and Earn. If you don't want to trade actively but still want your cryptocurrency to generate income, MEXC has a section called Savings MEXC Earn, a set of passive income tools where you can earn interest for holding coins. Staking is available for popular coins: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, MEXC, and others. Users lock an asset for a specific period or use a flexible mode. Earnings are credited regularly. There are two formats: flexible staking, funds can be withdrawn at any time. This option is suitable for those who want to earn income while maintaining complete control over liquidity. Fixed staking, assets are locked for a specific period but the yield is higher. This is the optimal choice for long-term holding of coins with maximum benefit. MEXC offers built-in trading bots that allow you to automate strategies without complex setups. This is convenient for both beginners and experienced traders. Several types of bots are available. Gridbot buys coins during price dips and sells when prices rise, operating within a specified range. DCA bot averages down your position as prices move, a suitable strategy for gradually accumulating an asset. Futures bots automate trading on futures with selected leverage and parameters. The platform provides ready-made templates so you can launch a bot in just a few clicks. Choose a pair, strategy, range, and deposit size. You can also enable beginner mode with minimal settings or switch to advanced mode for detailed configuration. Bots operate 24/7 and help you profit from market fluctuations even when you're not at your computer. How to launch a trading bot on MEXC? You can launch a bot on MEXC in just a couple of steps. The interface is extremely simple. Go to Wallet, Asset Overview. In the left panel, select Trading Bot. Choose the type of bot: Grid, DCA, or Futures. Specify the trading pair. Set the parameters: price range, amount, margin mode for futures, or select a ready-made template. Click Launch. Once launched, the bot will start working automatically, buying and selling assets according to the chosen strategy. You can stop it at any time, change the parameters, or withdraw profits. If anything remains unclear, join our private referral chat. There, we answer all questions and share experiences. The link is in the description. MEXC is always at your fingertips, thanks to its convenient app for iOS and Android. It allows you to manage your account entirely from your phone. Spot and futures trading, deposits and withdrawals, P2P transactions, the Earn section for passive income, trading bots, and integrated DEX Plus for purchasing new tokens from various networks. The app's interface is simple and intuitive, with everything working quickly and reliably. This means you can trade and track your positions anytime, anywhere. Your exchange is always in your pocket. Ultimately, the MEXC mobile app turns your smartphone into a fully functional trading terminal, equipped with everything you need for trading and investing. MEXC employs a comprehensive set of standard security measures that align with the best practices of major global exchanges. Cold storage of the majority of assets, full data encryption during transmission and storage, account protection through two-factor authentication, 2FA, system notifications for logins and transactions to monitor activity. Additionally, MEXC does not require mandatory KYC for trading, making the platform flexible and user-friendly. However, for maximum security, it's recommended to enable 2FA and link additional verification methods right away. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Thanks to this approach, MEXC combines privacy and reliability, allowing users to trade freely while feeling secure. MEXC always has something to delight its users. Newcomers receive starting bonuses for deposits, completing trading tasks, and participating in temporary promotional events. Token giveaways are frequently held, which can be used for trading or participating in special exchange events. Referral system. In your personal account, everyone has their unique referral link. Share it with friends, and you'll start earning a percentage of their trading fees. The more actively they trade, the higher your rewards. This is a simple way to turn your network of contacts into an additional income source. To stay updated on new promotions and bonuses, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give a like. All links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are in the description below the video. In summary, MEXC is not just an exchange, it's an entire ecosystem for those who want to stay ahead. Here, convenience, speed, and freedom come together. Spot and futures trading without mandatory KYC, over 1,600 coins, and lightning-fast listings of new tokens, sections for hot search and new listings. An integrated DEX Plus, trading bots, Earn, and regular promotions. This platform is designed for those seeking new opportunities and wanting to discover promising projects before others. In the description below the video, you'll find all the most useful links, MEXC, bonuses, and additional materials to kickstart your journey.